Steel mills are often challenged with dirty rolls, especially on the sheet processing and finishing lines. Are dirty rolls eating into your metal processing profits? Dealing with production delays and quality issues? There's an ultimate solution that's changing the game. Introducing the VeriLite Roll Cleaner Assembly, the innovative solution that's setting new industry standards. With its lightweight metal alloy construction and compact design, the VeriLite fits into the tightest of spaces. Its self-pivoting blade holder and precise load adjustment ensures efficient cleaning every time, and blade changes only take minutes. The best part? Installation takes hours, not days, and its remote operation capability puts safety first. Whether you're in cold rolling, galvanizing, annealing, or coating, the VeriLite delivers efficient roll cleaning without complexity. Clean rolls mean better production quality and lower operating costs.